Have you ever thought you're browsing safely online only to realize later that your personal data might not be as private as you think? Yeah, I've been there. That's why today we're looking at LibreWolf and Mullvad Browser, two tools that claim to protect your privacy. But which one actually does the job? Here's the deal. LibreWolf is a Firefox-based browser that's stripped down for privacy. No telemetry, no tracking, and it blocks a lot of data harvesting scripts by default. It's lightweight and fast, which is great if you want privacy without a ton of extra setup. But the Reddit community is buzzing. People love how open source it is and how it feels like Firefox, but private by default. The downside? Some users mention compatibility issues with certain websites and extensions. Then there's Mullvad Browser. This one's built on Tor principles and aims to hide as much of your identity as possible. Reddit and Twitter users praise it for being solid if you're worried about serious tracking, but it can feel a bit slower and more technical to set up than LibreWolf. Here's an Excel-style chart to compare them. So what's the takeaway? If you want speed and simplicity, LibreWolf is solid. If you need maximum privacy and don't mind a learning curve, Mullvad Browser might be your go-to. Choose the one that matches your privacy needs and don't just download because it sounds safe. And hey, if you want my full guide to the most private browsers in 2025 that actually work, click the next video. I'll save you headaches and keep your data safe. Catch you there.